Hello there, dear viewers. Today, we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of travel apps. We're going to explore the Wanderlog application and see how it can revolutionize your journey planning. Wanderlog is a fantastic app for trip planning. It is not only user-friendly but also gives you the liberty to create your own itinerary. You can add places you want to visit directly from Google Maps, and then arrange them in an order that makes sense for your trip. Wanderlog will even calculate the distance between each stop, ensuring your plan is realistic and doable. But wait, there's more. This app enables you to share your itinerary with friends and family, and they can even edit it if they have suggestions or want to make changes. The best part? Wanderlog will send you daily notifications while you're on the trip, ensuring you never miss a stop and stay on track. So, if you're looking for an app to help you plan your next adventure, consider giving Wanderlog a shot. Its user-friendly interface and handy features make it a top contender in the travel app market. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Until next time, safe travels.